The ongoing cost of Algorand is around 19 cents. According to our Algo coin cost expectation, it is gauged that the greatest cost for the coin might be around 47 cents, with a base cost of 17 cents. By the time it is 2025, our Algorand cost forecast recommends that the coin could have arrived at a most extreme worth of 75 cents. Simultaneously, the base cost may be around 52 cents. If the ongoing force proceeds and the Algo crypto can snatch consideration, it might cross the $2 mark by 2030. Our Algorand estimate shows that the most extreme cost might be $2.5, with a base cost of $1.50. The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending energy since the crypto market slump in May 2022. The Algo token was exchanging around $0.779 when the Luna disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost strongly tumbled to $0.371 in a couple of days. After some union, the cost additionally tumbled to $0.2795 that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of $0.3559.15. In any case, starting from the start of this current year, the Algorand cost has been on a recuperation mode in the midst of positive market feelings. According to our Algorand cost expectation, the coin will carve out opportunity to recapture its lost energy and turn beneficial. It was seen that coins like Ethereum were not completely adaptable, consequently, they instituted the advantage of utilizing evidence of stake sidechains associated with the root chain. Here every single individual chain manages its free blockchain framework with its agreement instrument and block validators and make more KID chains of its own. Algorand. The Algo token Algorand Organizations Group has delivered interface libraries that will be an innovator. The organization likewise brought an exceptional token Algo that is presently a significant hit at the eminent trades, coordinating the speed with other digital currencies. Vantage Algo. The huge potential for installments coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point and any place, and the check of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments, with the most reduced expenses. Algorand's shrewd agreements, ASC1s, are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be sure that the program ran without mistake and the outcomes were not altered. They are coordinated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, absolution, security, and cost adequacy. ASC1s can consequently implement custom principles and rationale, from basically characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. ASC1s are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language, Blue-Green, and Python, a Python language restricting. Algo coin is a cryptographic money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary standards, and DeFi. Algorand reinforced gaming networks by securing their presentation and handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will generally send and get installments in their ideal cash by means of Algorand shrewd agreements, as it controls the transformation and changes through trades. Algorand, Algo, exhibiting the the strength of Algorand lies in its system, and it is an open-source blockchain network, meaning the Algo token's record is freely accessible. Sparkle Money will before long coordinate the Algorand DeFi environment with Solana, according to their declaration to give upgraded interoperability in the blockchain. This will ensure that dealers that are utilizing Sparkle can share their advanced tokens to Layer 1 blockchain from Algorand. Financial backers began booking their benefits at the $1.7 mark, and the offering prompted a cost fall. After some union, the cost came to $2.37 toward the finish of 2021, where we again saw a specific selling. The Algo value attempted to arrive at a similar level, again threefold however fizzled. Before the cost could recapture force, the whole crypto market saw an accident, and from that point forward, the Algorand coin has been battling to start the upturn. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. As per Algorand Expectation 2023, with any progressions in arrangements and guidelines, Algo may have its portion of cloudy days at its cost, showing some obstruction. According to our Algorand cost conjecture, the coin could cruise smoothly around 33 cents, with a greatest cost of 47 cents and least cost of 19 cents, making it not fall in cost, but rather play reliably. Algo Coin Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and basics, the Algo coin could reflect monstrous development in the forthcoming years. It wouldn't be an embellishment to find that Algorand's cost will scale to a pinnacle of 59 cents. which is plus 43% to the most recent costs. Sometime or another, however, the equivalent can't be known as an exceptionally exaggerated and light reach. In view of the Algorand expectation, the base cost for the year may be 41 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. Algorand has previously embraced the pose component and consequently has tremendous development anticipated in the impending years. The future value energy is really brilliant for Algorand. In light of our Algorand cost figure, a drawn-out increment is normal, and Algo exchanges green for the period. The cost could come to the 75 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand Forecast 2026. Having seen a colossal DApp reception in the past, pushed the cost of Algorand, Algo. The organization is very famous, with various tasks based on it. Given the progressions are kept up with, the Algorand cost can be anticipated to take off to a most extreme cost of 95 cents, which is plus 340% of the Algorand cost today. Algo Value Forecast 2027. With organizations and local area subsidizing the business sector's glance back at Algorand, Algo is supposed to perform, arriving at a cost level close $1.18, which is plus 450%, contrasted with the ongoing cost. This is a seriously hopeful Algorand estimate, however doubtlessly practical, as opposed to expressing that the cost will arrive at the moon. According to our Algorand cost expectations, the base cost of the coin might be around 82 cents. Algo Crypto Value Expectation 2028. In light of the forecasts, the Algo coin might have a base cost of 96 cents, with a most extreme cost of $1.38 for the year 2028. Simultaneously, the typical cost of the token is supposed to be around $1.17 in view of our Algo gauge. Algo Value Expectation 2029. Of every 2029, the Algo coin is supposed to exchange a scope of $1.18 to $1.70, where the previous is the least cost and the last option is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, our Algorand cost expectation proposes that the typical cost of the token might be $1.44 all year long. Algorand Value Expectation 2030. As per Algorand Cost Expectation 2030, the estimated crypto cost will exchange above $2 by 2030. The Algo coin will ascend to $2.16 by December 2030, addressing an enormous upturn of plus 900% to the ongoing cost. As per our drawn-out Algo cost expectation, the token is definitely not a wise speculation decision. With a 5-year venture, your ongoing speculation might be debased. The Algorand gauge assesses the cost might hit $0.01024 by long-term, and, as indicated by our Algorand Cost Forecast 2023, the token is anticipated to cross a normal cost of $0.2915. The normal most extreme cost of Algorand toward the finish of 2023 will be $0.36444, and the normal least cost will be $0.24782. Is Algorand a wise venture? Indeed, Algo, is a wise venture as long as possible. Nonetheless, it is likewise important that you take care of business